related to the directional control valve, and I explain on such a way that you can easily understand. Okay, so watch the video up to the end to clear your basic concepts related to the directional control valves, how it is connected with this different component, and how the liquid is supplied or oil is supplied from the one port to the another port or to the actuators. Okay. So here you see these various symbols. Now the first is the check valve. Okay, so check valve symbol is drawn like that. First you need to draw one circle, then two inclined lines and two horizontal lines. One horizontal line is indicate input, second horizontal line is the called output. Now what is the meaning of check valve? Check valve normally allows fluid means either it is a liquid or a gas, to flow through it in normally one directionals. Okay, so they are one way valve. Check valve is only one way, means the liquid or a fluid is only flow from one side to another side. Reverse directional is not possible. So this is the symbol of check valve. Next is the 2x2 valve. Okay, now what is the meaning of 2x2? First we understand that. Okay, then we move towards the symbol. First digit is indicate the number of port. Now what is the meaning of port? Port means it supplied the oil or a gas, means fluid from one side to another side. Okay, so it's like as the valve, so it is called as the port here. Okay, so port is supplied the fluid. First digit is indicate number of port, and the second digit is indicate number of positions. Number of position means in a directional control valve the two position is possible because here the 2 is written. Okay, so two position is possible, it is called as the 2, and first digit is indicate the port. Now there is a 2 position is there, so we need to draw 2 square. Okay, so first we draw the 1 square. Okay, first we understand what are the ports are labeled as the P, T, A, B. Okay, so generally 4 port system is used. Okay, so at that time the 4th port is different. P means pressure port. So oil or a fluid coming from the pump or a compressor, this port is labeled as the P. And at the return line it is denoted T, means tank. And A and B are the different sides of the actuators. So here we draw the 2 square. So 2x2 valve has the 2 ports, one is inlet port, second one is the outlet, and the 2 positions. Means one position is used for the open the system and second position is used to close the system. So this is the first square, and this arrow is indicate that here the port is P. Okay, why it is P? Because the oil or a fluid is coming from pump or compressor. It is our port P, and this is the port A. Okay, so A side it is supplied to the actuators. This is the one positions. Okay, for second positions we need to draw second square. Okay, and the second position is for a close. So this symbol is used for a close positions. Okay, so it is also the P port and this is A port. Okay, this is only a 2 port because again here it is written as the 2. Now the next one is the 3x2 ports. Now later on I explain you how this symbol is working on the hydraulic systems. Okay, so watch the video and continue with this video. 3x2 valve has the 3 ports. One is the inlet, another is the outlet, and one port is more. And second digit is 2. 2 is indicate the 2 positions. One is used for open the system, second one position is used to close the system. Now the 2 position is there, so we draw the 2 square. Okay, and the 3 port means 3 port is provided in every positions. Okay, now there is a totally 6 port. So in a one position 3 port is there. So here the oil is enter in P port, it is supplied it to the A port. And this another one, that is a T port, it is right now with the close positions. Now this is the second positions. In the second positions, oil is returned from the actuators, means here the port A to the port T, and the P port is the close. Okay, now here the 3 port is that, so its name is the P, T and A. This is the pressure port, it is the tank port, and here the A port is there. Suppose it is a 4th and here the B port is provided. Okay, so I hope you can clear about this number of ports. Now here you already clear your concept by the 4x2 valve. That is a 4 port, P, T, A and P, and the 2 position is possible. So for 2 positions we need to draw the 2 square, and in a 1 square 4 port is provided. Okay, so in a 2 positions that is total 8 port is there. So first we draw the 1 square. Inside that we indicate the 4 port. One is the pressure port and the second one is the tank port and A and B port. Now here the oil is enter from the P port and supplied it to the A port. Okay, and here from the B port the oil is supplied to the T port. Means from this here T port the oil is again back to the reservoirs. Okay, in second positions the oil is supplied from the P port to the B port. So here B port is there and the oil is returns from the A port to the T ports. Okay, so it is using generally in a double acting actuators. Okay, double acting means the oil is supplied on the both side of the pistons. It is called as the double acting. Now the next one is the 4/3 valve. 4/3 means that is the 3 positions are possible and 4 port are there. So here you see that is the first positions, this is the second positions and this is the third positions. Okay, and inside every position 4 port is there. Okay, in a 4 that oil is supplied from P to A port, here B to T. Now I put the second mid position empty because in a mid positions number of variation is there that I explain you later on. Now here oil is in a third position, oil is supplied from P to P and it is returned back from the A to T. Okay, so I hope you clear this concept. Now before moving ahead, I request directional control valve on the mid positions. What are the possibilities of the hydraulic or a pneumatic system? Now first one is the open center. Okay, so here we understand mid positions means only on the mid position ports. Okay, first positions and the third positions are not be explained. We just focus on the mid positions. Now first position is the open center. Okay, so first we draw the square by default. Open center means all the 4 ports are connected with each other. It is called as the open position. So here P port, it is T port, A port and B port. Okay, they are connected with each other by using this horizontal pipe. Okay, so when we use in 3 positions, so first and the third position already explained. Now we only focus on the mid positions. Now it is used most commonly in a hydraulic motors. All the ports are connected to one another. So here you see all the ports are connected with each other. So it's look like the H symbols. Okay. In a center position, the hydraulic motor is allowed to free wheel. Means it is the freely rotate the actuators. Now here you see at the when the one position is there in this hydraulic system which have the 4 port and the 3 positions. Okay. So now in a first positions the oil coming from the port P or from the pump, it's supplied to the port A, port P and port P2 it is supplied to the A, and then after oil is supplied on the left side of the actuators, and the oil present on the right side is go to the back in the reservoir from the port B to port T, so it is going the reservoirs. Okay. Now when we change these positions to the mid positions, okay, so what we see, all the ports are connected with each other. P, A, B, T are connected with each other, so oil is supplying in any directions. Now when we on the third positions, at that time what happened? The oil coming from the pump is supplied to P port. From the P port, oil is going in B port. Then after B side of the actuators, so this piston is moving from the right side to the left side. Okay, and the oil present in the left side of this piston is supplied to this port A, and from port A to it is going into port T and it is going into this reservoir. So I hope you can clear your concepts. Okay. Now this directional control valve is operated by using the different system that we also study in this video. For that be connected with this video. Now second one is the closed center. In open center what we study all the ports are connected. Now in a closed center, from the name we can understand all the ports are the closed. Okay, so sometimes we need to close the hydraulic systems. Okay, so we put on these mid positions. At that time all the ports are the closed. Okay, for the closings we need to draw like the T symbols. Now this is the 3 positions. In mid position all the ports are the closed. So this block all the ports. Since the pressure port is blocked. Okay, so pressure block is blocked, but the oil is continuously coming from the the pump. Then it is again supplied to the tank from the pressure relief valve. That's why the pressure relief valve is the more important. So pressure built in the line until it dumps through the relief valve. Now the third one is the tandem centers. Now in tandem centers, the symbol of tandem centers are drawn here. The oil enter from the P pot is again supplied to the T pot, means P and T pot are connected with each other. So actuator positions are blocked because the oil is not supplied to the actuators. So our final output are the stop. So here A and B pot are the close. So here you see this is the mid positions during the tandem centers. The actuator is blocked in the positions because the oil is not supplied from the P pot to A and B. It is again back to the reservoir from the T pots. The oil flow freely from the P to T pots. Okay. So now generally this pot means they inside this directional control valve the pipe is provided or it is the solid and the hole are provided according to directions. Okay, when A position then there is a one pipe in a straight direction provided. In three positions they provide the inclined pipes, so they connect to the different pipe. So I hope you cleared about the constructions of the directional control valve. Now the fourth one is the regenerative center. In a regenerative centers, the pot P are connected with both A and B. Okay, so here you see oil enter from the P is either supplied to A and B, and the T pot is the block. Okay, so here you see this is the mid positions during the regenerative centers. Next one is the float center. In a float centers, the pressure pot is the close, means oil is not supplied to the actuators. So actuator is also not working during the float center positions. Okay, but the T pot is connected with A and B, means it is generally used to empty the actuators, means the oil in actuator is coming back to the tank or a T pots from the A and B valve. So this is the float chamber, all these three positions. The A and B pots are connected to the tank and the pressure pot is the block. The pressure built in a line, it dumps through the relief valve. So when the pot P is closed, some pressure is created because the pump is continuously working and it supplied the oil to the P pots. So this pressure is reduced by using the pressure relief valve. Next one is the 5/2 valve. So that is a two position is there and 5 pot are there. So we draw these two positions by using the drawing 2 square. In every square we draw the 5 pots. Okay, that is a B, P, T and one another pot, that is a closed condition. Okay. Now next, how to operations of the control valve is carried out. So there are different options to operate the directional control valve that we studying here. So with this directional control valve, means this is the directional control valve. With this we draw the various types of the symbol. Okay, so this symbol is indicate how the directional control valve is the operated. Now here you see first one is the dependent type. So here one pinion type shape is drawn. Okay, means it is operated by dependent type mechanism. Second one is the spring returns, so it's automatically returned due to the spring tension. So here the spring is drawn. Next one is the hand lever operated, means it is operated by the human hand. It is called as the hand lever operated. So this is the symbol of the hand lever operated. This C type symbol is indicate it is the directional control valve. So every type it is not drawn. Okay, in an exam if you go to draw all this symbol, so it is difficult. So we just draw this type of the symbol. Next one is the Plum button operated, so it is the Plum button operated type. Another is the foot pedal operated, means it is operated by our leg. So here you see the symbol like as the accelerators or a clutch provided in our 4-wheel or a car. Next one is the roller cam operated, so it is operated by using the cam mechanisms. And next one is the piloted operated or a pilot operated, means the oil is taken from the systems and it is operated by using the oil. That's why here the dotted line is indicated, means dash line is drawn. Another type is the solenoid operated, means the directional control valve is operated by using the solenoid valve. Okay, and next one is the hydraulic power tank. So it is used or operated by using the hydraulic power, means the oil are coming from the pump. It is used to operate the hydraulic means hydraulic energy of the oil is used to operate the directional control valve. And this symbol you already wrote, that is the pilot line, is a dash line. Working pipeline is continuous, and this is the symbol of reservoir in which the oil are stored. So thank you for watching.